What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today it's time for Puma MB.02 Supernova. So let's take a closer look. You can see here on the marking area it's too clear that the design of the wing design is slightly go down, whereas the authentic here there is a little bit space, little bit gap here. But look at the fake. Also, it's dirty, there is a glue left here. Also, still same, another sample. You can see here it's a little bit go down on the fake than the authentic here. Another sample, this is more worse than before. This one is too much. The fake is looking terrible here. There is no gap here, totally no gap. You can see it clearly. Moving to the other side of the shoes here, you can see on the forefoot part, you can see at my pointer on the fake here, it's too short. You can see the toe cap here, the printed toe cap, it's too short here. Then the authentic, but look at the fake, it's looking terrible. Also here, you can see on the other side of the shoes, I think this is a right shoes. You can see there's no gap here, a little bit go down on the fake. Look at the authentic here, there's a little bit gap. Moving on top of the shoes, you can see on the fake here, the one letter is slightly to the right. It should be like the authentic here. It's placed right in the middle. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see on the heel counter here, you can see on the heel counter the Puma logo from above here is placed right in the middle. Also the LaMelo letter. And look at the fake, the Puma logo is slightly to the left, it touched the stitching. Also the LaMelo letter goes all the way down to the bottom here. You can see the external heel counter, and the tattoo of LaMelo here isn't placed right in the middle. It's slightly to the right on the left shoes here. Compared to the authentic here, you can see it's placed right in the middle. This one also same. Another sample here, still same. This is looking terrible. This is too much to the right. This one is also a little bit to the left. This is fake, always like this. The LaMelo letter goes all the way down to the bottom. This one also is touching the heel counter, external heel counter. Take a closer look. You can see what I'm saying before. This one is not touching the stitches. But this one is slightly to the left. This one also goes all the way down to the heel counter. And also the circle here is slightly to the left. It should be like this, like the authentic, straight in the middle. Another sample still here, you can see here. This one also still slightly to the left. And the LaMelo letter and the Puma logo is not placed right in the middle. It's a little bit sloppy. Moving to the outsole here, you can see the color is different. There's contain three color: blue, red, and I think yellow. It's a little bit orange here in the middle. But look at the fake, just same color. It's only red and blue. The letter rare, it's more pops out on the authentic than the fake. So overall, I give it 5 out of 10 because I found so much flaws here. It's looking terrible. So it is what it is, and see you guys on the next video.